Okay, so here is a cardboard prototype of my proposed gear stand for SCA. So, realizing this is made out of cardboard, ignore it for a second. Each one of the uprights is just a flat piece of plywood cut in these particular shapes. This shape here in the front is from my buckler to just basically rest right in there. This comes through the table and has support, but also is a place for me to stand my helmet. There are going to be 2-inch holes here for swords and daggers to stick down. Place in the back right here for my banner to go through, which will be going through a portable hole here at the bottom. The back side here is for long weapons, and I may put some extra notches here and just have a couple of long weapons going across this way. The objective here is to have it be about waist high and flat packable. Maybe have some pegs here in the top to keep it from going through. Just playing with cardboard prototyping out of my head right now. Alright, so this is List Side Armor Stand Table version 1, cuts 1. 48-inch square piece of, I think, birch plywood, 1/2-inch thickness. We're going to cut it into 3 16-inch wide rectangles. One will be the 16-inch rectangle tabletop that'll have the helmet, hands, and swords in it. This 16-inch rectangle will become 2 triangles laterally, 2 right-hand triangles, and this one will become 2 triangles, and those will be the legs. So this is cut 1 of plan 1. Okay, first cut's complete. We have one 16-inch rectangle, 16 by 48 rectangle, and we have 4 48 long, 16 wide at the base, down to whatever that point is there at that angle, I don't give a crap, of a right triangles cut out of the 2 other rectangles. So this is cut number 1, done. Now we're going to clean up some edges, sand and router a little bit, and then we're going to start plunge routering the slots in the tabletop. Okay, and so here we have the first upright is built. It's 2 of the triangles. Just kind of nailed some leather hinges on it, and we kind of mocked it out. We got an angle that we like. We think it's freestanding. We're cutting a cardboard template right now for down to where the board's about 5 inches long, and then we're going to cut those slots, and we're going to router that into the other tabletop, and we're going to see if it'll stand. Okay, so we routed out quite beautifully, I must add, the V in the top for the 2 boards to go through, and we put the tabletop on as a test, and I think we got the height adjusted correctly. As you can see, my helmet is there. Grab my helmet off there, would you, baby? So, those two backboards come through here in a V. It's at about a 45-degree angle, and it's cut down about 4 inches. It's about 5 inches, and it's about 35 degrees. Okay, so you saw it standing. You saw the helmet on it. Here's how it comes off. The board's just hold flat on their leather hinges. So put it up right now. Put those 2 out. Line that up. And we still got the other 2 triangles to put in the back to kind of brace it. That's next. Okay, well here it is assembled after the first cuts, rough cuts. It's still got to get sanded and stained and everything. But it's standing. It's got my head and my hands on it. We still got to put the holes in it for weapons and the buckler shelf. But it appears to be there. So this is going to be first final assembly of the armor side list table thing plan. Here we go. Alright, so base, leather hinges, hold it up, tabletop, recut, goes like that, one side leg, second side leg, that all goes in there like that. One new piece, buckler tray, goes like that. Okay, that's it assembled. Here's it loaded. Helmet, right and left. Hands, 1 and 2. Okay. Sword. Dagger. Buckler. Test 1 complete.